I'm Ethan. I am Cole. We have this candy. And then we have this candy, which the first one we're eating is Toxic Waste Zap Sour Bubblegum. And they have like a blue. They have all this candy. And it looks like it's really sour because look at that guy. So. It's really bubble gummy. Wait, are you? I don't want it. Not at all.
Are you gonna try some?
No. Now we're doing sour smog balls. I'm gonna go with the yellow. This is Toxic Waste Goop Gum. Little toxic waste barrel. We're gonna try this. Ew! We tried. Hard candy. And in the middle is like really sour. That's our review of the toxic waste.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This is sour.
But
No. Say bye here.
bye.
They can't see you.
Bum bum ba-dum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. Bum bum bum, bum ba-dum bum 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 bum, bum ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum 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 bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, like I said yesterday, we just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try?" Duck said goodbye. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "Look, this is getting old. I mean, lemonade's all we ever sold. Why not give it a go?" The duck said, "How about no?" Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "That's it. If you don't stay away, duck, I'll glue you to a tree and leave you there all day stuck. So don't you get too close." Duck said, "Adios." Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man right in the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any glue?" What? Got any glue? Why would I? And one more question to you. Got any grapes? Bum bum, bum ba-dum bum 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 bum. And the man just stopped. He started to smile. He started to laugh. He laughed for a while. He said, "Come on, duck, let's walk to the store. I'll buy you some grapes, so you don't have to ask anymore." So they walked to the store and the man bought some grapes. He gave one to the duck and the duck said, "No, thanks. But you know what sounds good? It would make my day." Do you think this store? Do you think this store? Do you think this store has any lemonade? Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. 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 Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Perfect. It's so beautiful. Colin! What? Guess what? Bam! What even is that? Only the most of 0.00000000001. Just wait a second. What? Put your hand up. I now pronounce you, Cole, a part of the sneak attack squad. This is cool. Oh, and how did rebuilding the drone last night go? I won't go. Do you want to see it? If you say so.
Mr. Fluffy Face reporting for me.
Fluffy Face, stop! Oh, that was weird. Yeah, it still has a bug.
Roger, activating guard mode.
Fluffy Face. No, stay.
Activating stay mode. System fatal error. Comply. Termination imminent. Comply or be terminated. Comply or be termination successful. Boot system fatal error. Repair mode activated. Full. Adjusting the optics. Error. More mode active.
I don't know. I sort of knew this would happen. What did you do to it? Oh yeah. Let's do this. What have you got here? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I think I am. We attach the GoPro to the RC. Freeze it. Guess I can't argue with that. We'll go get them. Is the car ready? Yep, let's do this. Okay, we have a first person view of the RC car. Okay, let's see what go in the front and you go in the back. Got it.
More mode active. Eliminate all targets.
What? The drone is right. Hey guys, today's comment of the week comes from Girlzilla60. The week comes from Tommy. Whoa, he's like souped up for wolf. These Sneak Attack Squad dog tags. Yeah. Go to our Instagram and Facebook to buy one in the world. Okay, you heard it. That was the scariest thing in the world. Give us a thumbs up. Where did it go? Huh! Where did it go? Where'd he go? Why is the back door open? Oh yeah, the front door is unlocked. Ooh! Ah! did that snake go? Hey! Watch out! Times! There's a snake in the house! I'm serious! There's a snake over here! Ah! Good riddance. Hey guys, which one's better? The Desolator or the Rapid Strike? All next time.